walking the Blizzard Island in the kind of sort of not really rain. And we're going sledding. Is Jay coming? No. Okay, whatever. I just wondering. Bro. Okay. I gotta check this. What if you're gonna say anything? You're not even understand. Oh well. But you have Asian hair, right? Oh yeah, I have Asian hair. Maybe you walk in the back? No, I'm sorry. I'm wearing white Nike. White, and they're still white. Why is it slowing down? Why is that car slowing down? Why are you recording the car? I don't know. How much longer? Oh, it's at the end of the street? What does it look like? Is it old? Does it look crappy? Not really. Do they have good ice cream? Is that what they even have though? Yeah. Just making sure. I don't know. Blizzards in a box. Oh, it's a delivery guy. Papa John. Yes. Oh, it is Papa John. He has a nice car. That is a Dodge. And I know this because my brother's in the car. I love Papa John. I've only had a person in my life in both kinds of stuff. Stop sign. William Street. Yeah. Oh, look at all those colors. Yeah. Oh, look at those cars. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Nothing. I think I got water in my shoes. We're at the Blizzard Island. Look at my hair. Your hair's not bad. Your hair's so. You need to be your Cheryl's hair's fine. Asian people. That's what Asian people are. They're stupid and I love you. You know what? Even though you said that to study, I still love you. I think I have a mirror. Hey, what if I put a mirror in front of the camera? Wouldn't that be weird? What do you guys see? Do you guys see camera now? See the camera. It's my mirror. And you see me holding the camera. What? It's a mirror. I can see myself and I can see you. They are so slow. Come on. I want mine. Yes, man. So we can go home. Oh, they have flavors too. But I kind of want regular ice cream today. Because this ice cream? I know. This all like melts together and it gets nasty. Oh, they have the Freedom one. Do I want soft serve? I think I want a slushy. Or no, maybe just an ice cream. Aren't ice cream slushy? I don't know. They definitely are. I don't know. There's no difference at all. I've never seen. Ow! This is really sharp. Touch it. It hurts. Ow. Ow.
I helped. You got one, but I need another one. I'm not with that.
Okay, she's ready.
Oh, one more.
No. I don't know what you like. It's already been 3 minutes. Have you just ordered? Yes.
How much is that? Oh, I don't need to. I roll like that.
Okay, fine. That's where are you going? What did you order? He ordered it for me, and I was like, oh, I just heard cookie. I was like, okay. I'm gonna eat my ice cream, so the video's gonna stop. That guy was creepy. He's like, is that a video? Yeah, he was like, is that a video? Oh wait, they could probably see us. Darn. Yes. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. So, how's your first trip to Blizzard Island, Yasmin?
I don't know. It was probably more fun than the video.
Oh, not that cool ice cream. No. I think they're going in their car. Never mind. No. Okay. Okay, do you see the person now? No! It's a ballet. In town. Ew. Yeah. That's really bad.